Snow fort cancelled, but nature calls, they're abundant. Get out there. Can you dig it? The path to my snow fort leads to a snowed-in fort area. I have dug this out so many times, and the snowstorms keep coming and keep filling it in. We are day after day after day of snowstorm, and it just never seems to end. Eventually, I feel like the whole house is going to be covered in snow, but it won't. We're not igloos. We're just Canadians. This is the most snow I have ever seen in my whole life living in Ontario. The snowmobile. We have a snowmobile. Car's a snowmobile.
I'm going to get in here. I'm going to put it to the side of the street.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, the snow. That's the whole front lawn. It's ridiculous.
Susie.
It looks like the bunnies have been taking shelter underneath our car when it was parked there. And they come out every night for their dinner, which I put over here. Now I put a few little bushes there for them because yesterday they were out nibbling on his bush. That was before I had a chance to get their dinner out for them. This has almost covered the tree. It's incredible. And my fort, I keep digging it out and it keeps getting snowed in. I had a seat here yesterday. It's gone now. And the grandkids can't come by, so this is like a sea of snow. I've never seen it this high, not in Ontario. This is our neighbor's backyard. He's 86 and he clears out. Comes out and shovels the walkway. I sometimes think that's because that's his main activity. I mean, what do you do at 86? I'm not sure. Now, Stan and I, we do a lot of stuff, but so this is the backyard. See how high it is up on the fence? And he always shovels his deck out. That's incredible. Look at how the wind curves, creates this line. There is some beauty in it. Look at that, splashed on the wall, just stuck there. I'm gonna have to go in, my fingers are freezing. Even though I have double mitts on. This is Stanley way over there, clearing off the car. We need milk. We're gonna get milk. Can I go? That's it. Oh, extra layered up. Oh, my hair's sticking on end. Electricity. Who would have thought? Here comes Stan. Maybe you should come in before your extremities freeze.
I can't come in yet. I've got the car to finish.
Oh.
So I'm taking the broom out. There's a lot of stuff to come off that car yet. I have it running nice and
Well, be careful, eh? Just pace yourself, right?
remember what we talked about this morning.
Pacing?
What?
Pacing or just getting out there and doing it?
Get into the sunshine and you're freezing there.
Yeah.
And then
Every time we shovel out, this is what happens. I can't believe this. We should just hibernate. We are semi-hibernating. It's like being semi-retired. Oh well.